He's down there like, what the heck, dude? Let's... Ty, are you ready? I am going to test you and see how you do when I pretend to faint on you. He's probably like, I don't really care. I'm not gonna help you or anything. And that's understandable because, like, what can dogs do? Call 911? No. Anyway, let's see how this goes. Hi. Can you see the camera? Are you about to just walk away, my dude? No? You gonna come back to save my life? No? Okay. I guess he was gonna walk away. Alright. See you later. I'll just lay here fainting. Guys. He's just waiting there for me to get downstairs. Okay. Alright, let's go downstairs. Hi, buddy. Come here. How's it going? Okay. I'm supposed to be fainted. My dog. Okay. We're working on it, right? We're working on it. It'll save my life one day, right? Do you see the camera? It'll save my life though, right? When it comes down to it. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. My sister's coming back. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna add on more. Didn't really work. He kind of disregarded me. But as you know, it's not for real. So when the time does come down to it, I bet if he does sense his danger around me, he will try to help me. I have faith in my dog. Anyways, that's it for right now. Bye, guys. A compilation of these videos will come more and more. That is it for you guys. It didn't really work out as I planned, but I will add more. As you can see from the clips, he was kind of, didn't really care.
You have to pay the entire house.
I didn't break the doorknob, I swear.
What is your house worth? $1 bajillion? Like 2.5. Yeah,
Y'all, I broke the doorknob to my house just by turning the, now I have to find, well now I have to find the doorknob.
Have fun with that.
What? Okay, thanks. Okay, so in the process of that 5 minutes that I showed you, my sister came home. I ended up breaking the doorknob to my house. I found it! I found it, don't worry. It's all good. I found the doorknob. All I have to do is reattach it. Done. Reconnected. No big deal.